Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove a team member from your team on Cloudflare. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you have a team in your account on Cloudflare, you will need to access the team member list. To do that, log into your account on Cloudflare, expand manage account here on the left hand side and click into members. Next, navigate to all members, and here you will see a list of all members within your team. As you can see, I'm the only member for that example account right now, but if you have more team members here, guys, you will see these three dots next to it, next to the given username. Click into it, and then you will see an option remove from a team. As you can see, I can't do that from my owner account because I can't remove myself. I can only leave the account, but you can for example do this for other team members if you're the owner of the given account, of course. And also invite members, and those that have been invited and accepted will be the invitation will be listed here so that you may remove them from there. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.